Hey guys, my name's Ashwin Gore. I've been an accent coach for 10 years and I offer a full, comprehensive course to help you master the American accent, which is linked down below. Today, I'll be giving you guys a few tips to help you perfect your American accent. What's up guys? So I get a lot of requests to do a video that contains lots of common words that you would use in everyday life, but said in an American accent. So this video is going to give you a list of over 120 words that you're going to use in your daily life. Now, the whole purpose of this video is for you to hear the pronunciation of the word, pause the video, and then repeat it for yourself. What you can do is you can record yourself saying the word and then compare it to how I say it. To learn the techniques behind the pronunciation and why we say the words the way we say them, refer to the link below for the full course on the standard American accent. For this video, I've broken up the words into different categories. So words that you would use at college, at the office, when exercising, when out and about, when going to a restaurant, things like that. So let's crack into it. Here's the first one. So here are some common words you would use at college or in school. Classroom, library, vending machine, parking garage, cafe, restrooms, dorms, lecture, professor, exam, quiz, desk, binder, laptop, keyboard, mouse, projector, textbook. And here are some common words that you would use at the office. Internet, photocopier, paper, trash can, reports, files, workstation, coworker, supervisor, manager, break room, deadline, email, meeting, boardroom, conference, water cooler, elevator, stairs, office attire, tie, shirt, jacket, blazer. So here are some common words in regards to meals, whether you're eating out or whether you're eating at home or referring to different fruits and vegetables. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, eggs, pancakes, waffles, coffee, milk, orange juice, apple juice, bacon, sausages, cheeseburger, hamburger, veggie burger, salad, steak, chicken, vegan, salmon, vegetables, potatoes, ketchup, fries, soda, water, table, reservation, check, waiter, server, busboy, menu, cutlery, plate, glass, banana, mango, cherry, pineapple, grapes, tomato, carrot, broccoli, spinach, onions, peas, herbs, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, peppers. So here are some words that are really useful in your daily life when you're out and about at the gym or you're exercising at home. Gym, running, workout, dumbbell, barbell, kettlebell, exercise, jogging, stretching, treadmill, weights, elliptical, CrossFit, warm-up, leggings, bike, boxing, class, towel, hydrate. And here are some words you would commonly use for entertainment and social activities. Movies, cinema, bowling, arcade, restaurant, bar, cocktail, beach, hiking, football, swimming, basketball, tennis, video games, socializing, reading, driving, shopping, walking, date, dancing, singing, music, television. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully those tips put you on the path to achieving a perfect American accent. For more tips and advice, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and for the full course on mastering the American accent, click the link below and check the description for a coupon code.